Hi, and welcome to Alaska Air Group Credit Union. Today, we are going to learn how to deposit a check with the AAGCU mobile banking app. First, we're going to get started by preparing your check. Make sure that the check you want to deposit has all the correct information with date, amount, and so on. These 3 steps will set you up for success. Endorse the back of your check using black or blue ink. Find a dark background and good lighting. Smooth out your check. Make sure to endorse the back of your check using black or blue ink. And also write for mobile deposit only on one line, followed by AAGCU and your account number on the next. Your next step is making the deposit. Open the AAGCU mobile app. Log in to the AAGCU mobile banking app. Select Deposit Check. Select the account where you want to deposit your check. Enter the amount to deposit, the amount that's on your check. Take a picture of the check, both the front and the back. After inputting the check details, take a picture of the front and the back of your check. Make sure your check is on a dark background. Make sure your check is lined up in the camera image on your phone. There will be guides to help you. Once the check is lined up properly, the image will capture and you will be able to deposit your check. Some final tips to help you with your mobile deposit. Mobile deposits do not appear in your account right away and may be put on hold. If you have issues, please contact us. To avoid a duplicate deposit, write deposited and the date on the back of your check. We hope this helps with your mobile deposits. Learn more at aagcu.org. Thank you.